Student, today's topic is class diagram. What is class diagram? Class diagram is a static diagram. It represents the static view of an application. Class diagram is not only used for visualizing, describing, and documenting different aspects of a system, but also for constructing executable code of the software application. Class diagram describe the attribute and operation of a class and also the continued impressions on the system. The class diagram are widely used in the modeling of object-oriented system because they are only UML diagram which can be mapped directly with object-oriented language. Class diagram also a collection of class, interface, associations, collaboration, and constraint. It is also known as structural diagram. Purpose of class diagram. The purpose of class diagram is to model the static view of an application. Class diagram are the only diagram which can be directly mapped with object-oriented language and thus widely used at the time of construction. UML diagram like activity diagram, sequential diagram can only give the sequence flow of the application. However, class diagram is a bit different. It is most popular UML diagram in the coder community. The purpose of the class diagram can be summarized as analysis and design of the static view of an application, describe responsibilities of a system, base for component and deployment diagram, forwarded and reserve engineering. Next, how to draw the class diagram. Class diagram are the most popular UML diagram used for construction of software application. It is very important to learn the drawing procedure of class diagram. Class diagram have a lot of pro, pro, properties to consider while drawing, but here the diagram used be considered from a top level view. Class diagram is basically a graphical representation of the static view of the system and represent different aspects of the application. A collection of class diagram represent the whole system. The following points should be remembered while drawing the class diagram. The name of the class diagram should be meaningful to describe the aspects of the system. Each element and their relationship should be identified in advance. Responsibility of each class should be clearly identified. For each class, minimum number of properties should be specified as unnecessary properties will make the diagram complicated. Use notes whenever required to describe some aspects of the diagram. At the end of the drawing, it should be understandable to the developer or coder. Finally, before making the final version, the diagram should be drawn on plain paper and reworked as many times as possible to make it correct. Next, this is the simple use of class diagram. See, here, this is the class diagram of an ordered system of an application. It describes a particular aspects of the entire application. First of all, order and customer are identified as the two elements of the system. They have a one-to-many relationship because a customer have multiple order. Order class is an abstract class and it has two concrete class. One is special order, another is normal order. Next, the two inherited class have all the properties as the order class. In addition, they have addition function like dispatch, receive, etc. This is a superclass and this is the subclass or inherit class. Here, this property by default given or have to the special order as well as normal order. But those are the special property or attribute of the special order, and those are the property or attribute only for the normal order. And in there, 1 and n is the relationship among those class. In this way, we draw the sample class diagram, or you draw the class diagram. Next, where to use the class diagram? Class diagram is a static diagram and it is used to model the static view of a system. The static view describes the vocabulary of the system. Class diagram is also considered as the functional of component on deployment diagram. Class diagram are not only used to visualize the static view of the system, but they are also used to construct and the executable code for forward and receive engineering of any system. Generally, UML diagrams are not directly mapped with any object-oriented programming language, but the class diagram is an exception. Class diagram clearly show the mapping with object-oriented language such as Java, C++, etc. From particular experience, class diagram is generally used for consumption purpose. Class diagram used for describing the static view of the system, showing the collaborations among the element of the static view, and describe the functionalities performed by the system, construction of software application using object-oriented language. So in this particular positions, we use the class diagram. So overall, this is the concept of the class diagram of the UML. Thank you.